Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to get started with risk tables in Jira with the SoftComply Risk Manager Plus. Risk table is your designated risk register in Jira. You can work with your risks in this multi-sheet spreadsheet view, much like in Excel. You can enter all relevant details about your risks, assess the risks, and link risks to controls and other actions your team is working on directly in the risk table. In the previous video, we built a risk assessment model. Let's now build a risk table where you can manage risks using that risk model. First, let's navigate to the risk table setup page. Click the button to create a new risk table template. Give your table a name so that the users will recognize it. Also, give a name to the table sheet. Now select the applicable risk model from the drop-down list. Once you confirm the model selection, you will be asked if you wish to create all risk management fields automatically. Selecting yes will speed up your work. As you can see, all the fields from the selected risk model are now applied in the table. You can change the sequence of the columns simply by dragging them to the right location. Now it is time to customize the table further. You can add all existing Jira fields to the table. You can include issue links that will help you to track the mitigation actions linked to a risk. Additionally, you will be able to add any number of custom fields to this table to make it fit for your specific process. If your risk process requires any new custom fields, work together with your Jira admin and ask these custom fields to be created for you. You can speed up your process significantly by using select lists and numerous other options for custom fields. But only Jira admins have the right to create these. In this example, I am creating a simple text field to add comments to my mitigation actions. Don't forget to add this new custom field to relevant screens. Once the table template contains all required fields and is organized in the way you wish, we are ready to enable the table and the connected risk model to an existing project. As a risk management administrator, you can enable these elements to a project from a setup page right here. Simply pick the right templates and click Assign to a project, and you can assign the templates to any existing projects in Jira. Now that we have assigned the risk table and risk model to a project, we are ready to start managing risks. Navigate to the project and open the risk table view. Here you can start creating the risks for your project, describe and analyze the risks. The input values for risk assessment are connected to the risk model, and once you have applied the values, the risk class will be calculated automatically based on your scoring criteria. Most importantly, you can now connect your work with others. Simply connect the tasks in other projects by adding the issue keys, and you will be able to monitor the progress of these items in real time. It is a great way to collaborate with your team members without constantly chasing them. Once the linked actions are completed, you can assess if these actions have an effect to the current risk level. Complete the risk assessment by using the input values once more, and you will be able to track the status of your current risks right in the table view. In the risk table view, you will be able to work like in a spreadsheet, but your work is now connected to the work of other team members. That will simplify the collaboration in the risk management process. There is a lot more to explore. In the next video, we will introduce how to create and manage object registers for your centrally managed risk-related items like assets, controls, and hazards. Thanks for watching and looking forward to talking to you soon again.